20 causes of anxiety and healthy solutions to avoid it. Anxiety is a natural stress response, but when persistent, it can interfere with daily life. Understanding its root causes and finding healthy ways to cope can greatly improve your mental well-being. Here are 20 common causes of anxiety and practical solutions to manage or avoid them. 1. Work pressure. Heavy workloads and unrealistic deadlines can trigger anxiety. Solution: prioritize tasks and set boundaries to avoid burnout. 2. Lack of sleep. Poor sleep disrupts brain function and emotional regulation. Solution: establish a calming bedtime routine and stick to a sleep schedule. 3. Financial worries. Debt or job insecurity causes chronic stress. Solution: create a budget, cut unnecessary expenses, and seek advice if needed. 4. Relationship issues. Tension in relationships can heighten anxiety. Solution: communicate openly and consider couples therapy. 5. Poor diet. High sugar and caffeine can spike anxiety levels. Solution: eat balanced meals and stay hydrated. 6. Sedentary lifestyle. Lack of movement increases stress hormones. Solution: exercise regularly, just 30 minutes daily helps. 7. Social media overuse. Comparisons and information overload are common triggers. Solution: take regular breaks and limit screen time. 8. Negative thinking. Persistent self-criticism fuels anxiety. Solution: practice gratitude and positive self-talk. 9. Perfectionism. Setting unrealistically high standards creates pressure. Solution: accept mistakes as part of growth. 10. Overcommitment. Too many responsibilities can feel overwhelming. Solution: learn to say no and prioritize tasks. 11. Trauma history. Past trauma often underlies chronic anxiety. Solution: seek therapy to process and heal. 12. Isolation. Lack of social support worsens anxiety. Solution: stay connected with friends or support groups. 13. Health concerns. Chronic illness can create constant worrying. Solution: manage symptoms and seek emotional support. 14. Substance abuse. Drugs and alcohol can intensify anxiety. Solution: seek professional treatment and support. 15. Uncertainty. Fear of the unknown fuels anxiety. Solution: focus on what you can control. 16. Hormonal imbalance. Fluctuations in hormones affect mood. Solution: consult a doctor and maintain healthy habits. 17. News overload. Too much negative news increases stress. Solution: limit media intake and choose uplifting sources. 18. Lack of purpose. Feeling directionless breeds anxiety. Solution: set personal goals and pursue meaningful activities. 19. Peer pressure. Trying to fit in causes stress. Solution: stay true to your values. 20. High expectations. Pressure from others can be overwhelming. Solution: set your own realistic goals and celebrate small wins. Subscribe, follow, like, comment, and share this post. Thank you for watching.